These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Welcome to 30 Trades in 30 Days Trading Challenge. The rules for this challenge is very simple. We take one trade per day. If we win that, we stop the session. If we lose that, we double the amount on the next trade. If we win that, we stop the session again. If we lose that again, we have to accept the pain and start over the next day. If you want to follow along with this challenge with me and see the real process of trading and ups and downs, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next parts. Now, let's have today's session. It's time to take today's session. One trade. I'm looking for the best trade I can. This is a common point of rejection, but since I'm going to take only one trade, I'm kind of nervous to find the best possible trade. Yeah, today's market doesn't look bad. And the fact that I just need only one trade makes me excited to just keep looking to find the best possible trade. Because before this, I was just taking 6-7 trades per day and was really sometimes, the quality of trade was dropping. All right. All right, let me draw. This is a common point of rejection. We have proper ranging market going on here, and we are generally in a support area. Now that it closed right on this, close to this common point of rejection line, I'm not going to take a buy on this one. But the sell is still safe if I have proper setups. Let me see. Oh, we have a third touch breakout here. Look, first, second, third touch is breaking it. After first touch, we also have lower low. So this is a third touch breakout, but I'm not taking it because we don't have other reasons. I'm not going to take a trade based on one reason. Also, this is a double bottom, which is a bullish market structure pattern, but this common point of rejection is cool. If it was giving me this entry, I would enter and I would take this risk. All right. Yeah, it didn't give me the entry. See, if I was taking this, I would lose this trade. And it's always best to take the best possible trades and combine enough reasons to your trades. We have an obvious red screen pattern here. And also, we have a decision point down here. So let me see if we can make this a beautiful setup. All right. This is the demand. All right. Oh shit, it was on 30-second, I'm sorry. Oh, we have this doji. I was on the 30-second time frame the whole time. Oh my god. Anyways, this is a doji in 1 minute. And this was an entry in 30-second. I have to wait for this one to close, breaking the doji. And then, obviously, we have entry in lower time frame down here as a decision point, right? So, wait. It's stuck again. Please, man. Oh my god. Let me just fix... Alright. Yes, we missed this entry like that, bro. This is terrible. This is fucked up, man. Let me just take this. Terrible entry. Look, it broke the doji. We had this lower time frame entry. And that terrible internet connection made us miss this trade. And I entered, look how bad I entered this trade. And I know I will lose this trade. This is just fucked up, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to say that. This is a beautiful entry in lower time frame. After doji break, after this gap down, this could be a very good trade. Yeah. And it would be a winning trade for sure. See, doji break happened, gap down, and lower time frame entry here. This is a decision point, right? in 30 seconds. Oh man, this is garbage. Let me just fix this, change this internet. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Let's just keep going. I have to double this up. We had a terrible loss. I mean, that losing trade, we cannot say that was my fault. I'm sure you confirmed this. Alright, now, this current point of rejection is not safe at all. Session could be finished if I was taking that trade. That was nice. Instead, this trade was nice, man. Doji break and everything. Sorry for interruption. For those who are asking, this is the only Telegram channel that I have, which I share my students' results only and the announcements that I have. Nothing too crazy, not like similar in Signal channels and things like that. If you're interested, that's the first link in the description. Alright, this is cool. This is beautiful. Let me see. Oh, give me an entry. This is very nice, this entry. If I can catch it. It touched? Fuck, it touched. I was late on this because I didn't find entry in lower time frame. But it reacted again. Today, this connection is trying to play with me. And I'm really... Alright. It didn't have... I'm sorry, I'll be right back. Yeah, it didn't have lower time frame proper lower time frame entry. That's why I could consider this one, but I didn't. And yeah, I reacted very well from this because this was a very clean decision point for this support. And it has gap down. It has fair value gap. And this is also an order block. Yeah, it reacted very nice. It was a red green pattern going on as well. So this was good. I think we have another entry in 5 seconds up here. So I just marked it. In case if it comes to this zone, I may take it. We kind of have market sequence if you look. Nice little market sequence. I have to wait for this candle to close. Look, market sequence of maximum 3 red candles. And I can have the next candle as a green one. I'm going to have to go to lower time frame. Nice. If it comes to this zone, I will take my trade. Come on. Let's go. I took my trade on this one. This is a beautiful common point of rejection, proper ranging market. Yeah, I'm expecting a green candle. See how it will go. In case, we have a little bit of gap down as well. In case if I lose this trade, it will be double loss, and then I have to start the next day with this balance, okay? That's how it works for this challenge. That's really my pain zone, but I accepted that. And yeah, there's some painful moments in this challenge. I think I will face it. Yeah, we're done with today's session, man. We took 2 trades. My first trade was a loss because it wasn't my fault. It was the connection's fault, okay? I'm just kidding. It was my fault. I could just avoid taking it. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'm going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think about this challenge in the comments. And yeah, don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Peace out.